Hello, I'm Uma Arora from Tutors.com, and in today's video we are going to learn about visualizing solid shapes. So the main subtopics which we are going to cover in this video are drawing solid shapes on flat surfaces, viewing different sections of solids, and after that we'll have a quick discussion about looking at solids from certain angle to get different views. Now let's move forward. So here are a few warm-up questions for you. You can please pause the video and try the given questions, and once you are done you can resume the video to check your answers. We'll pat you back if all of your answers are correct, and now let's move forward and let's have a quick discussion about drawing solid shapes on flat surfaces. So we'll talk about two ways to do this, and the first one is oblique projection. So in this case we can say that it's a simple type of technical drawing of graphical projection which is used for producing 2D images of 3D objects. So that's a quick example for you. So that's an oblique image of a 3D cube on a graphical sheet, which is a 2D flat sheet. Let's move forward and let's learn together that how we can do it. So we'll be using this grid to make a cube. So the first step is just to make a square, and the next square would go somewhere like that, and the last part is just to join the corners. So this corner would go here, and the same way we'll be joining all of the corners, and that's how we can make a cube using the grid. Now let's move forward and let's talk about the next way, which is isometric sketches. So if we talk about isometric sketches, we can say that it allows the designer to draw an object in 3D on an isometric sheet which consists of dots. So if we talk about isometric drawings, we can say that they're also called isometric projection, and they are usually used in the technical drawings. Let's move forward towards the next slide and let's talk about viewing different sections of a solid. So we can say that visualizing solid shapes is a very useful skill, and we can see the hidden parts of a solid shape. For example, when a sphere is cut horizontally or vertically, then the faces which you'll get is a circle. So there are three different ways to visualize the solids. Let's talk about the first one, which is cutting or slicing. So cutting or slicing a solid will result in its cross section, which is also one way of viewing it. The next one is shadow play. So we'll be observing the 2D shadow of a 3D solid, and that's another method of viewing a solid. So shadows of solids are of different sizes depending on the position of the solid and the position of the source of light. And the last one is looking at it from certain angles to get different views. So basically you can have three views. The first one is top view, then you can have front view and the side view. So now let's move forward, and here there is a quick question for you. So by looking at the solid, we'll try to find out how many edges are hidden. So these three edges were hidden in the shape, and if we talk about the total number of edges in a cuboid, so that's a 12. Now let's move forward. So here are a few practice time questions for you. You can please pause the video and try the given questions, and once you are done, you can resume the video to check your answers. Well, congratulations if all of your answers are correct, and thank you for watching this video. For more, please visit Tutors.com.